Now, it's actually possible to run C# programs and develop them on Macintosh. One way is to use Visual Studio in a virtual machine. Here I'm using Parallels, and I can load up a free or a commercial edition of Visual Studio in its own window, and that's right within the Mac environment, and use it to all intents and purposes as though it's a native Mac program. But there's another way as well, and that way is to use the free Mono Develop, which runs on a Mac or indeed on other operating systems such as Linux. Now, I haven't tried it on Linux, but I've certainly tried it out on a Mac, and here in fact is one of my sample projects. It's the adventure game you'll find in step 10. So I've loaded up the solution I created in Visual Studio, but I've loaded it up into Mono Develop, and I can just click Run to run it. It builds the game and loads it up, and here I am exploring the world of my adventure game. And I'll explain in a couple of other videos how you can use Mono Develop on a Mac to create both visual applications from scratch or to load up my sample projects. Learn programming and the business of programming at www.bitwisemag.com/learn-to-program.